everyone, Iris here, and today we are grilling meatloaf. We're gonna start with ground beef, ground pork, carrots diced, onion, celery, white cheddar, so delicious and creamy. Now you take your hands and you mix. Don't be shy here. So look at all these beautiful colors. All right, gang, this looks about well mixed. So with our meatloaf mixture, we're just gonna pop them into these adorable little meatloaf pans. All right. So these are perfect and ready for the grill. Oh yeah! Look how delicious this looks. Our meatloaves have been grilling for a bit and now they're ready to slice. Gorgeous. We can move on to the glaze. Brown sugar. We have ketchup. And very importantly, we have apple cider vinegar. Perfect. Have our meatloaf patties off the grill. Look at these beautiful grill marks. We have our grilled onion as well. It is time to assemble our little meatloaf sliders. Wow. All right, I can't resist. I'm gonna dig in. So good. The meatloaf is melting in your mouth, but you're getting all these pops of delicious flavor. The carrot is so sweet and tender. The onion is sweet and flavorful. All the spices are working in there so well. The sauce is bomb. This was so delicious. And the best thing about sliders is that you can eat more than one. This was grilled meatloaf sliders, and this was Bussin Eats. Let us know if you try this. What do you put in your meatloaf? What's your secret? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next time.